Shell Richardson moved to Charlotte in 2005 without a resume or computer skills. While visiting the South Boulevard Job Link, Shell found out about Goodwill's Hospitality and Tourism Training Program. Since then, she's been working at the University Place Hampton Inn. Shell's hard work and dedication earned her Employee of the Year honors in 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, our last Good Work Award is presented to Shell Richardson.
Well, I never thought I would be standing here today. When I came to Cornerstone 2 years ago as a guest, as you are today, I was so excited to be here. But I thought to myself, well, I'm glad it's them up there and not me. Ooh, well, guess what? I'm so honored and privileged to be here, as everyone has mentioned earlier. I'd first also like to thank my family, my parents, my husband, my extended family that's here today, along with my management team. They, along with others, have truly been my cheerleading team. Moving to a new place, Charlotte, in 2005, and starting a new phase in life is never easy. My husband and I relocated here from Brooklyn, New York. We were both volunteer workers for the world headquarters of Jehovah's Witnesses, and we had been there the majority of our adult life. My work there didn't require that I use a computer often, so that being the case, I was completely unprepared for this job market. After trying my hand at a couple of jobs, one selling knives, and then telemarketing sales, I thought to myself, you know, this just is not gonna work. I really needed something solid, something that would give me further opportunities. I also needed to update my computer skills badly. So one day, I came home, I was completely frustrated, and I really just did not know what else to do. So I picked up the yellow pages, I just started combing through the pages looking for a training class. And since I didn't have much money, it had to be free. I found an ad, called the number, and it turned out to be the South Boulevard Job Link. And that is where the journey all began. During the first session at a computer class, the instructor told us about some programs available through Goodwill, one being a hospitality program. So at lunchtime, I flew out of the class and ran up to the front desk, and I inquired about the program. 3 weeks later, I was taking a 6-week training class. Right from the start, I knew this was the right fit for me. I was determined that when I left that program, I would have a job. One of the most important things I would have to say I received from Goodwill: nail down your goals right from the very beginning. Throughout my training, Goodwill prepared me above and beyond. My instructors set the bar high. I received the valuable customer service training skills along with an overall perspective of the unique industry of hospitality. And as a result, I was well prepared for my interview. When the program was over, I graduated with confidence, excitement, and 3 job offers, which meant, you guessed it, no more selling knives. I accepted a job at the Hampton Inn University Place in July of 2006 as a front desk clerk. And this was very critical because now, after staying with family and friends, we could finally have a place of our own. At Hampton, I made a point to learn everything I could. My first front office manager was new in her position, and she had a mountain to do. So I told her one day, you know, if it's not top secret, can I help? And that started the ball rolling. Not long after that, I was offered the sales coordinator position, which was a promotion and a raise. Today, Johnny and I are proud homeowners. We have a small savings account and a great future to look forward to. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you, in all of this, I've gained far more than a job or a career. Because of Goodwill and the wonderful program, I have gained a lifetime of professional adventure. Every day is new and exciting, and there's so much more to learn. My future goal is to own my own business one day, and what a better way to learn than under the tutelage of my general manager, Keith Elliott, my assistant GM, Cornelius Anderson, and my outstanding director of sales, Terry Gator. As a collective body, my management team has a combined total of 53 years in the industry. So with my faith, my dream team at home, my dream team at work, failure is not an option. but I truly would not have had this wonderful opportunity without the outstanding staff at Goodwill. They have that rah-rah spirit that inspires you to move forward. So when you walk down that aisle at graduation, you have your head up, your shoulders back, and you feel so proud. Goodwill is an oasis in a desert of online applications and no return calls. They help you get those doors opened again and back in front of a live person. There's an old saying, you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. You show him how to fish, and you feed him for the rest of his life. Thank you, Goodwill, for being so much a part of my journey.